Video to show you how to make the most out of the browser ChatGPT. The same rules will apply when you have the chatbot installed on your own website. But just to give you a demonstration of how amazing it is, you can just use even the free one. This is the free version. So let's just show you what I've put down so far, and I will copy and paste out the text so you can see it for yourself. But here you can see I would like you to act as an information bank for potential guests at my B&B. I'll paste in all the information about my bed and breakfast, and I'd like you to only refer to the information I've provided to answer questions I may have. And then adding in "do you understand" at the end is really a helpful thing to do, because then the chat will reply and say, "Yes, I understand," etc. So what I've done here, I've just copied and pasted one of my customers' B&B, all their information from their website into lots and lots of basically all their room information, their booking information, etc., etc. And then I'm going to then say to so you can see I've added quite a lot of text there. That's all the information, just to give you a really good demonstration of how good this is. So when you finally get to the end, um, I'm going to just submit that information, and then I'm going to say, please answer as if you are the owner of the B&B to any questions. Do you understand? And then you'll see that chat will then respond, absolutely, etc., etc. So here I'm going to ask the first question. I'm going to say, I am a single traveller. Do you have any single rooms? And the answer should be yes. And yes, it mentions that they have a cosy single room available for single travellers. It's located on the second floor and offers a comfortable stay with its compact ensuite bathroom and stunning views, etc., etc. So you can see it's not only has it answered, it's also offered some lovely, insightful information, which is great. Do you offer a vegan breakfast? It's another good question. And absolutely, we offer a delicious vegan breakfast option to cater to our guests with dietary preferences, etc., etc. You can see that they've actually mentioned what they provide on there, and mentioned that if you're interested in this option, to let us know in advance, and we're sure that your breakfast is tailored to your preferences, which is fabulous. So you can see how amazing this would be on your own website. You could have people asking you, even when they're actually at your premises, they can actually use a tablet in your room that you've set up with a chatbot to answer any questions they may have, or questions about the area. You can have pre-programmed the chatbot with all the information that you want to use, and it will only use that information. So as you can see, this is the free version, and it works absolutely well. So what you can also do in this case is use ChatGPT to provide you with social media posts, and we'll cover that in a different video. That's it. Thanks for watching.